Beneath the ocean's shimmering surface, a world of silent wonder unfolds. On the vibrant coral reef, light dances, revealing creatures that seem to have fallen from the night sky. Sea stars. Their spectacular colors, orange, purple, red, stand out as they cling to rocks and sand. Moving with slow, deliberate purpose, they chart a course across the seabed like living constellations. These sea stars are not just decorations, they are active participants in the reef's story. At dawn, a crimson sea star glides over coral, a silent hunter in a bustling city of life. Each movement is a calculated step in the search for food, a patient predator in this watery realm. Lacking speed or claws, sea stars rely on unique tools for survival, blending seamlessly into their environment. To watch them is to witness a form of life so different from our own, yet perfectly adapted to its home. From tropical shallows to the deep abyss, sea stars are marvels of evolution, silent sentinels and patient gardeners of the reef. Their presence adds a splash of celestial magic to the world beneath the waves. Despite their name, starfish are not fish at all. They belong to the echinoderms, animals with spiny skin and a radically different biology. Sea stars have no bones, no fins, and don't swim. Instead, their bodies run on seawater. Their secret is the water vascular system, a network of canals that powers hundreds of tiny tube feet. By controlling water pressure, they can grip, climb, and crawl with surprising strength. Sea stars lack a brain. Instead, a nerve ring and radial nerves let each arm act semi-independently. They sense light, touch, and chemicals, navigating their world by instinct and reflex. With no blood, the ocean itself flows through their bodies, powering every move. This intimate connection to their environment defines them. Sea stars are less animals in the sea, and more pieces of the sea come to life. Their water-filled bodies and decentralized minds have allowed them to thrive in nearly every marine habitat. They are true marvels, challenging our very definition of what an animal can be. The sea star's iconic shape, 5 arms radiating from a central disc, gives it 360-degree awareness. With sensory receptors at each arm's tip, it tastes and feels its surroundings from every direction. Sea stars are famous for regeneration. Lose an arm and it grows back. Sometimes a single arm can regrow an entire body. This survival trick lets them escape predators and endure harsh environments. Found from sunlit rock pools to the deep sea, sea stars endure crashing waves, changing temperatures, and immense pressure. Their tough skin and strong tube feet help them cling to rocks and survive at the boundary of land and sea. In the deep, some species have longer, flexible arms to move across muddy seabeds. They are vital scavengers, thriving from the brightest reefs to the darkest abyss. The sea star's simple form hides a complex, robust biology, a blueprint for survival across the planet. Sea stars' abilities go far beyond their simple appearance. Their tube feet end in suction cups, giving them a powerful grip. When hunting clams or mussels, they wrap their arms around the shell and pull relentlessly. Once a gap opens, the sea star pushes its stomach out of its mouth and into the shell, digesting its prey externally. This gruesome but effective method lets them consume prey larger than their mouths. Some sea stars, like the crown of thorns, prey on coral, digesting polyps and sometimes devastating entire reefs. Others are cannibals, preying on smaller sea stars. The sunflower sea star, with up to 24 arms, can chase down and devour other echinoderms. As keystone species, sea stars shape their ecosystems, controlling mussel populations and allowing diverse life to flourish. Their slow, deliberate actions have a profound impact on the seafloor community. Sea stars are quiet architects, shaping their environment through unique and sometimes brutal survival methods. Their presence signals a healthy, functioning ecosystem. Without them, the balance of marine life would collapse. In the deep sea's perpetual darkness, sea stars thrive in a world of extremes. Here, pressure is crushing, temperatures are near freezing, and food is scarce, falling as marine snow from above. Deep-sea sea stars are patient scavengers, burrowing into mud or inflating their bodies to drift with currents. Vision is useless, but simple eye spots at each arm's tip detect faint light, often bioluminescence from other creatures. These adaptations help them find food and avoid danger in the abyss. Their bodies, mostly water, withstand immense pressure by matching it inside and out. Perfectly balanced with their environment, they are resilient survivors. Scientists exploring the deep are awed by the sight of a brightly colored sea star against the dark mud. Even in the most inhospitable places, sea stars remind us of life's tenacity and beauty. Sea stars are just one member of the echinoderm family, all sharing 5-part symmetry and a water vascular system. Brittle stars have thin, flexible arms that break off easily to escape predators, moving quickly across the seafloor. Sea cucumbers, soft-bodied and elongated, vacuum up sediment and recycle nutrients, sometimes expelling sticky threads to defend themselves. Sea urchins and sand dollars have hard, spiny shells. Urchins use their spines and tube feet to move and graze, while sand dollars burrow in soft sand. Their star pattern hints at their ancestry. Crinoids, sea lilies and feather stars are the most ancient echinoderms, with a fossil record stretching back 500 million years. Sea lilies anchor to the seafloor, while feather stars swim freely, catching plankton with feathery arms. These relatives show the diversity that can arise from a single, simple body plan. Echinoderms are living links to the ocean's distant past. Together, they reveal nature's creativity in shaping life beneath the waves. Sea stars are essential to ocean health, acting as keystone predators that maintain ecosystem balance. By controlling mussel and other populations, they allow greater diversity to flourish. Healthy sea star populations signal vibrant marine environments. Their loss leads to instability and decline. But sea stars face unprecedented threats: rising temperatures, disease, and pollution. Sea star wasting syndrome has caused mass die-offs, worsened by warmer waters. Pollution and plastic waste threaten their survival as sea stars rely on clean water to feed and thrive. Protecting sea stars means protecting the entire ocean ecosystem. We must reduce carbon emissions, stop pollution, and manage fisheries sustainably. By preserving their habitats, we safeguard the health of the marine world for future generations. Sea stars remind us of the wonder beneath the waves and our responsibility to protect it.